Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Enable unknown sources so you can install Zfont, then download the Zfont APK plus the specific iOS emoji package to internal storage. You should back up your current fonts or a full TWRP backup if available, because font changes can be reverted if needed. Once done, confirm your Android and Vivo model in case the package requires a different method. This prevents incompatibility. Make sure battery is over 50% before proceeding. You install Zfont and grant storage and install permissions so the app can access the downloaded iOS emoji file. Next, open Zfont, go to the Emoji tab, then import the iOS package you downloaded. This copies the emoji files into Zfont's workspace. After import, choose the correct apply method. Some Vivo devices use Magisk module flashing, others use the stock font change routine, so pick the one matching your device. If prompted, allow reboot when the app requests it. You apply the iOS emoji through Zfont and then reboot. The reboot finalizes system font and emoji swaps. After the phone restarts, test emojis in messaging apps and system UI to confirm consistent rendering. If some emojis show as boxes or crash apps, make sure you use the correct package for your Android version. If problems persist, restore your backup or uninstall Zfont and reapply using the Magisk module option. One tip: clear app caches for messaging apps before retesting to avoid cached glyphs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.